Welcome back to H1b Visa Hub, where we simplify U.S. visa processes for you. In today's video, we're diving deep into the process of changing your status from an H1b to a B2 visa, also known as a tourist or visitor visa. We'll walk you through each step, discuss timelines, costs, and highlight critical points to keep in mind. Let's get started. First thing first, why switch from H1b to B2? There are various reasons why someone might need to switch from an H1b to a B2 visa. Common scenarios include losing your job and needing more time to wrap up your affairs, or simply wanting to extend your stay in the U.S. for tourism or personal reasons. Whatever the reason, understanding the process is key to a smooth transition. Let's dive in. Step 1. Prepare Form Y-539. The main form you'll need to file is Form Y-539, Application to Extend, Change Non-Immigrant Status. This is the form you submit to request a change from H1b to B2 status. Step 2. Pay the filing fee. Pay the filing fee, which is currently $455. Additionally, there's an $85 biometric services fee. This covers the cost of fingerprinting and background checks. Step 3. Submit supporting documents. Submit all required supporting documents. This includes a copy of your I-94 form, proof of your H1b status, evidence of your intent to leave the U.S. after your B2 status expires, and a letter explaining your reasons for the change. Step 4. Wait for USCIS decision. After submitting your application, the waiting begins. Processing times can vary, typically ranging from 2 to 5 months. Unfortunately, there's no premium processing option for the I-539, so patience is key. Timeline and cost breakdown. Let's summarize the timeline. Filing Form I-539 and biometric fee. Within 1 to 2 days after deciding to change status. USCIS processing time 2 to 5 months. As for costs, here's the breakdown. Filing fee, $455. Biometric fee, $85. Total, $540. Now let's discuss some crucial points you need to keep in mind. 1. Timing is critical. You must file your change of status request before your H-1b visa expires or within the 60-day grace period after losing your job. 2. Maintain valid status. Until USCIS approves your change of status, you must maintain your current status or leave the U.S. 3. No work permitted on B2. Remember, once you switch to a B2 visa, you are not allowed to work in the U.S. Let's cover some common reasons for rejection. 1. Insufficient evidence of intent to depart. USCIS may deny your application if they believe you intend to stay in the U.S. permanently. 2. Filing after H-1b status expires. Filing late can result in an automatic denial. 3. Failure to provide supporting documents. Missing or incomplete documents can also lead to rejection. And that's it for today's video on switching from an H-1b to a B2 visa. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more immigration tips and guides. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.